Hello and welcome to our quick guide for the installation of Print Audit FM. Print Audit is a piece of software we use to automatically send out toner and collect the meter readings, so you should never run out and get the most accurate billing. You should have received an email like this one we have here with a download link and an activation code. First of all, you will need to copy and paste the download link into a web browser. This should automatically begin the download for Print Audit. Once the download is finished, you should be able to open or run this file from the download section in your web browser. If you are unable to find this in your web browser, locate your downloads folder and you should be able to run it from there. When the Print Audit installer opens on your screen, you need to click Next 2 times and then finally click Install. Installation can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your PC. Finally, when installation is complete, click Finish. Now it's time to activate the software and run your first scan. Navigate to the Start or Windows button on the bottom left of your screen and look for Print Audit Facilities Manager. Click on this and then underneath you should see ICE Administrator. Alternatively, you can search ICE Administrator in the search box on the bottom left of your taskbar. This will then bring up the Print Audit ICE Administrator licensing box. In here, you need to copy and paste your activation code and then press Activate. Once you have successfully activated your software, click Tools and Scan Now to run your first scan. Congratulations, your Mayday photocopier is now set up to automatically reorder toner and send us meter readings.